everybody, Iceman50 here. This is my third attempt at making this video today. I had the settings all screwed up on this 360. I don't know. Anyways, so third time's a charm, right? I wanted to give you guys an update on the Asian Ranger and what we did this weekend. I got some video footage of coming over here to McDonald's, but like I said, it's all right. It's no good. It's the ISO's all screwed up. But yeah, they're tearing up the road over there. Something wicked. So we're not going back that way. I might have to get onto it a little bit. They're tearing up to the railroad tracks too, so it's going to suck. But I tell you, you drive on that pavement that's all eaten up by the road ripper, the whole bike moves back and forth. It's a very unsettling feeling. I don't recommend it. So we're going to try and avoid it as much as we can here. But yeah, so I got a bunch of videos that I haven't edited yet, like replacing the third brake light. I was trying to make like one video of it all, but we'll see. I might split it up into a couple of videos. We fixed the cruise control, and then I go to try and replace the rear shock, and what a disaster, you know. His frame's kind of just falling apart. I told you guys all about that. So dang, as part of it this weekend, I scraped and wire brushed, and we got some wire wheels for the angle grinder and the drills, and we cleaned all that up, and I busted out my apron and went all Walter White on that shit, mixing up my own phosphoric acid concentration, dilution, you know. Insert the picture of the lady with all the math in front of her. So yeah, it wasn't that hard. It's just algebra. So anyways, yeah, we did that, and I got like half of that frame cleaned off and treated, and like a day later, yesterday, I was like, wow, this stuff works pretty good. What it does is it's in all these major acid etch converters. Basically, it just it forms iron phosphate. So you got iron oxide, phosphoric acid. It pulls out one of the oxygen atoms of iron oxide and turns it into iron phosphate, which is like a harder, dark brown, almost blackish color material, and it prevents rusting. So it converts that outer layer. So anyways, that's what we did. And then yesterday I wire wheeled it some more, brushed it by hand. There's a place I couldn't get into, and coated the rest of it. And I just soaked that thing down. So the next step today, if I can get to it, is to paint it with some Pour 15. It's supposed to be about 60. This stuff really, you know, isn't really dependent on temperature as much as moisture in the air, apparently. So it should be good. Yeah, see, here's this rough groove surface. It's nasty. Oh God. They got all sorts of trucks and stuff over there. I kind of wanted to get out of the way of that. Oh God. I told you, this is sketchy. The bike feels like it wants to go all over the place. Like I said, it's a very unsettling feeling. Oh God. It just feels like the bike's going to slip out from underneath you. It's like riding on ice. That's the only way I could describe it. And I've got the railroad tracks all screwed up here. Oh, fuck. Jesus. I don't know. I don't like that. So anyways, yeah, so next step is the paint. And then, you know, we got to order up one of these plates. And like I said, we're just gonna get some panel bond, and we panel bond the shit out of it, you know. So let's see if I can creep along here. I ain't trying to stomp. Hey, how you doing? I'll get that for you there. Have a good one. We'll see ya. So yeah, and it anyway, so that's what we're going to be working on. so I can finally, and then I need to leave a comment below. I'm gonna go look at Home Depot, but I need to find a little piece of like cold rolled plate. I want to, 1/8 inch. I got to add something to the inside of the frame so I can mount the shock. I need like, I don't know, like a 4x6 piece, 4 inches wide by 6 inches long, something like that. I'm gonna make a template, and then we'll put that in the inside and drill the holes, and we'll come all the way through, because that, like I said, the only thing left in that part of the frame, which you'll see in one of my later videos, is is where the bolts go. Everything around the bolt holes is gone, but the areas where the bolts are is like hung on. I don't know. So, but yeah. So comment below if you know. I can get that. I'm gonna go look, but if you guys know, let me know, because I gotta find something. And now I got an angle grinder. So, all right, guys. It's pretty windy. I'm gonna let you guys go. We'll see you on the next one. All right. Easy.